Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a quiz using Canva. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type in quiz to explore hundreds of available templates. Select a template that aligns perfectly with your quiz's theme and purpose. Then, personalize the template by adjusting colors, fonts, and background elements to match your brand or desired aesthetic. This initial step sets the foundation for a visually appealing and engaging quiz. Now, let's focus on the core of your quiz, the questions. Carefully add your questions and corresponding answer options to each individual slide. Remember to use clear, concise language for both the questions and the answers to avoid confusion. To make your quiz even more captivating, integrate relevant images or graphics. Visuals can significantly boost engagement and help convey your message effectively, making the experience more enjoyable for participants. To elevate your quiz, let's add some interactivity. Explore Canva's animation features to make text and images pop, adding a dynamic feel. You can choose from various question formats, such as multiple choice or true-false, to keep things interesting. Crucially, plan the logical flow of your quiz. Think about how participants will navigate through questions and what happens when they select a correct or incorrect answer, guiding them smoothly through the experience. Finally, it's time to share your amazing quiz with the world. Before sharing, always preview your quiz thoroughly to ensure all elements, animations, and links function perfectly. Once satisfied, download your quiz in a suitable format. A PDF is great for static versions, or an MP4 for animated ones. You can then easily share your interactive creation directly to social media platforms or send it via email to your audience, reaching many people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.